Michael, you want to go this?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to peel out. You.
Hurry.
Oh my God. Ano daw? Sabi niya, meron ka daw pambayad sa mga...
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh my God. Yung mga nagdo-document pa. Inject daddy ba? Oh my God. Tick! Silip niya pa talaga.
It's dirty.
Dirty ears, right?
Yes.
Yes. Give medicine. Daddy's medicine.
Oh, I'm your...
Where's the water? Yeah. That's chalk. Oh my God. That's water. Okay. That's done.
Thank you.
Okay.
I get the heart.
Yeah. What else? Come on.
You see?
Yeah, this is sick.
It's hard.
Yeah, it's hard. Hindi. Oh no, it's too high. Oh my God.
Oh no.
Pili mo naman pasyente ka ba? Come on.
No, what's it on pencil?
Yeah, check daddy's heart. Come on.
Pencil down at the blood.
This is not hard. Here. Ayun ba yung lab? Ayun yan.
I got this in heart.
Oh my God.
Oh God.
Yeah.
You die.
You die.
I die?
Oh my God.
Good.
Oh my God.
It's not just your
Very strict, mahal. Oh.
Oh,
Oh my God. Tinuturo pa sa'yo. Dito ka dapat.
It's dirty.
30. Okay. Daddy need to brush.
That's why you can
Brush your teeth, Daddy.
Okay.
Oh my
Now
God.
it's only okay, got it.
Oh
Okay.
my God. No
You got
candy.
a twin?
Yeah. And then no chocolate, right?
Okay, next.
Next. Come on. See your teeth broken.
Yeah, more.
Come on.
Being a cookie.
What? Okay, you're gonna call the ambulance. Come on. Daddy's sick.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Daddy,
Okay, next. Yeah, more.
the pink.
Yeah. I have scissors.
More for funeral.
Oh, look at
Oh my
this.
God.
Is taking go.
Oh my God.
The heart of Daddy.
Your heart is coming. You're gonna cut? Oh my God.
Okay, next.
Surgeon ka ba?
Come on, yeah, more.
It's dirty.
It's dirty.
Okay,
Oh my
yeah,
God.
more.
Sabi doon ang tiyan mo, ma. It's dirty. That is dirty. Dirty tummy.
It says,
Oh my God. Ano ba talaga ikaw, be? Dentist ka ba o ano? Dentist pala ito eh.
It's dirty.
Ayaman na tayo
one
pag
more.
naging dentist ka. It's dirty. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that?
Flashlight.
That's light.
Right.
Okay.
Hello. Okay, we're going to okay.
I always check in my mouth. What's the matter with you?
There's something wrong in your mouth.
Okay.
Dentist nga yan eh.
Yeah, more.
Ang cute niya. Ang ganda ng outfit ba? Sakto sa niya eh. Ang ganda ng mga bili-bili lagi nila sa kanila eh.
Ano siya pumili yan eh?
Kaya nga ni Kuya Erwin eh.
Ginagaling-galing niya sa phone.
Sa phone nila? Sa phone mo?
Sa phone ni
Debbie?
Debbie.
Oo, kaya. Si Debbie magaling yung bili niya maganda talaga. Yung pag may na magandang mga laruan yung meron siya matututunan. Oh my God! Oh my God. What is that dog?
Ayan,
What
ayaw.
happened? What happened to your dad?
Daddy,
At the Oh, daddy. Boo-boo?
you got